Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to view your archived items on Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Monday website by going to your browser and then type monday.com. After that you will be able to access the website, and then you will need to create an account by signing up with your email. And if you do already have one, just log in into it and then follow the simple steps. And basically, the first step will be to go to your work management, and here you will find your working space. So you will go to the board where you want to view your archived items, and then you will search for it. And I'm going to choose this board called My Board. And to see the archived items, all you need to do is to go to this 3 point icon here on the corner, and then click on them. And of course we will find something that is called view archive and trash. And basically here we will be able to archive or to see the archive of our board. And when we click on it, we will find all the items that we have archived on this board. And basically you can restore them, of course, because this is just the archive. So if we restore them, we will find them that they will go back to the board. Because this is a sub items, you can't restore it now. We need to restore the group first. So I'm going to this one, and yes, restore it. And of course we will find again our task that we have just restored. So as you can see, group for restored pools, and now we are seeing our archived task. So basically this is how you view your archived items on Monday web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.